Okay, last time around we talked about editing vertices, and to do so with proportional editing. And if I push G, and in this case Y, how I can edit an entire mass even if I only have one vertex selected. And notice how that's starting to flatten this out a little bit. So I think that's really great. Now I can do that a little bit more yet. So I think what I'm going to do is grab a larger section, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to grab this, I'm going to roll the mouse wheel down a little bit to make the area of influence a little smaller, and I'm going to push S and this time X so that I can sort of scale things out and widen them out here. Now if I don't like how that's going, I can roll the mouse wheel in the middle of the action. And that way we can get sort of different effects based on what we are trying to do. Now I'm going to look at it from the side view, and again, if I grab one particular item and I decide to grab this, I can move it over some more and affect the mass as a whole. But the thing with proportional editing is you can affect it in different ways, whether it's scaling or moving something. Now I think I'm going to turn off proportional editing, and the next step is going to be that I might join these into one object, and we'll do that next.